Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on an incredible overlanding adventure through the stunning Lost Creek wilderness. Buckle up, because we're about to explore some of the most remote and beautiful landscapes Colorado has to offer. It was a crisp Friday morning when I loaded up my trusty Jeep with all the essentials for an epic weekend getaway. My heart raced with excitement as I left the city behind, trading the hustle and bustle for the promise of solitude and adventure in the Lost Creek wilderness. The journey began with smooth roads, but soon the pavement gave way to rugged trails. My Jeep roared to life, eagerly taking on the challenging terrain. The further I drove, the more I felt the weight of everyday life lift off my shoulders. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, I found myself surrounded by dense forests and expansive meadows. I spotted deer grazing in the distance and eagles soaring above, a sign that I was truly immersed in nature. By mid-afternoon, I stumbled upon the perfect campsite nestled beside the babbling stream. With the sound of water as my backdrop, I pitched my tent and set up a cozy campfire. The sense of accomplishment was palpable. This was my haven for the next 2 nights. After setting up camp, I couldn't resist the urge to explore the area from above. I unpacked my drone, excited to capture the beauty of the Lost Creek wilderness from a bird's-eye view. As I launched it into the air, the camera revealed breathtaking scenery. The drone soared over dense forests, winding streams, and rocky outcrops, offering a perspective that was both awe-inspiring and humbling. I watched on my screen as it captured the golden glow of the setting sun illuminating the rugged landscape. There was something magical about seeing the wilderness from this vantage point, a reminder of how vast and untamed this area truly is. As evening approached, I returned to my campsite and prepared a hearty meal over the campfire. The aroma of cooking food filled the air, mingling with the scent of pine. With a full belly and a content heart, I lay back and gazed at sunset. The next morning, I woke up to the symphony of birdsong and the crisp scent of dawn. After a hearty breakfast, I packed up my campsite, ensuring I left no trace behind. Today, I plan to explore deeper into the wilderness and uncover more of its hidden gems. I took my Jeep on a more challenging off-road adventure, navigating through rocky terrain and crossing small streams. The rugged trails tested both my skills and my vehicle's capabilities. Along the way, I discovered a secluded waterfall cascading down moss-covered rocks, its gentle roar a soothing melody. Ancient rock formations told the story of the land's geological history, their silent presence a testament to the passage of time. As I drove, I couldn't help but feel a sense of accomplishment and gratitude for the experiences I'd had. The wilderness gets its name from this creek, which mysteriously disappears and reappears multiple times along its course. As you trek through the area, you'll see how the water flows into underground channels and caverns, only to reemerge downstream. It's like nature's magic trick, constantly keeping you guessing where the creek will pop up next. One of the most striking features of Lost Creek Wilderness is its unique geology. Picture towering granite domes, spires, and massive boulders that look like they've been sculpted by giants. These formations have been shaped by natural processes over millions of years, creating a landscape that's both rugged and awe-inspiring. As you explore, you'll find yourself marveling at the sheer beauty and power of nature's artistry. Lost Creek Wilderness isn't just a natural wonder. It's a place rich with history. Long before it became a destination for hikers and adventurers, this land was home to the Ute tribe. Imagine stumbling upon ancient artifacts like arrowheads and pottery, remnants of the people who lived and thrived here for centuries. These discoveries connect you to the past, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who first called this wilderness home. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, Lost Creek Wilderness was buzzing with activity from miners searching for precious metals. As you hike through the area, you might come across old mines and cabins, hidden among the trees. These remnants of the past tell stories of fortune seekers who braved the wilderness in hopes of striking it rich. It's a fascinating contrast to the untouched beauty that now defines the area. The Lost Creek Wilderness is a mosaic of diverse ecosystems. As you journey through its landscapes, you'll transition from dense forests of ponderosa pine and Douglas fir to open alpine meadows and lush riparian zones. Each ecosystem supports a unique array of plant and animal life, making every step an opportunity for discovery. It's like walking through different worlds, each more enchanting than the last. For wildlife enthusiasts, Lost Creek Wilderness is a paradise. Imagine spotting elk grazing in a meadow, a black bear ambling through the woods, or an eagle soaring high above. The wilderness is home to a variety of animals, including mule deer, mountain lions, bobcats, and countless bird species. Every encounter with these creatures feels like a rare and precious moment, a reminder of the wild and untamed world that thrives here. Reluctantly, I began my journey home, with my Jeep tackling the rough terrain effortlessly. As I drove, I couldn't help but feel a sense of fulfillment from my short yet adventurous trip. Back in the city, I felt rejuvenated and inspired. The Lost Creek wilderness had left a lasting impression on me, and I knew this wouldn't be my last overlanding adventure. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the Lost Creek wilderness. If you enjoyed this adventure and the secrets we've uncovered, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future expeditions. Until next time, keep exploring and stay wild.